Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Rhoda Gordon, and I'm a certified photo manager, and in this YouTube channel we talk about all things having to do with photos, whether it's print or digital. So today I'm answering a question from one of my clients. He said to me, I don't understand what monthly maintenance is and how it has anything to do with my digital photos. So I'm here to answer that question. But before I do, can you do me a favor and subscribe to my channel if you like the information I'm giving you, and give me a like as well. So what is monthly maintenance? Monthly maintenance is something that you can do on your phone app to clean out your camera roll. And I always like to say, let's do it at the beginning of the month because it's something that we know. We do the bills at the beginning of the month. Maybe we go over our calendar at the beginning of the month. We do a lot of things at the beginning of the month. And this is just another thing that we can do to create a habit so that it's just easy. So monthly maintenance is a way for you to clean out your camera roll and not let it get out of hand. Because what we really want to do is have a clean, lean camera roll so we can find those photos that we really love. So there are a couple steps to monthly maintenance. The first one is to go through your camera roll from the last month and delete all the duds. What does that mean? Well, duds are any of those screenshots you don't need anymore, maybe a QR code to get onto an airplane, maybe your airplane ticket, or to get into a fare. You don't need that QR code anymore, so delete it. All the other types of photos that were reminders that you don't need anymore. The series of photos, you handed it to a stranger to take a picture of you and your friends while you were out to dinner, and instead of 2 pictures, they took 20. Well, keep the best, delete the rest. The next thing you want to do is also go through your screenshots album, because perhaps you don't need them on your camera roll anymore. They were reminders or maybe a recipe. Move them over to your Notes app so that you know where they are, and put them in a folder called recipes, if that's what it was, or house inspiration, if it was a screenshot of something you liked for your house. The next thing to do is to look at your duplicates utility. It's an album, and Apple Photos actually keeps track of your duplicates or near duplicates and allows you to merge them together so that you can reduce the amount of duplicates you have on your camera app. And then the last thing to do, well, second to last thing to do actually, is to go through, and once you've done all those, is to go through and heart or favorite the photos from the past month that you really, really loved. That way you can find them over and over again. And then the truly last thing to do is, if you have a project in mind that you're going to do with your photos, such as maybe a family yearbook, or you want to create a vacation album and you just came home from vacation, put all those photos that you've earmarked for the project into an album and name it appropriately. For example, if it is a family yearbook for 2024, then put it into that album. If it's for a vacation and you just came back from Hilton Head Island and had a fabulous time, name the album Hilton Head 2024 and also the month. Let's say it was July. So that is what I suggest to do at the beginning of every month. Or you can pick a day in the month that you find convenient. Maybe it's the 15th. Maybe it's the last day of the month. Just make a vow to do it and keep your camera roll clean and mean so you can find the photos you love. Thanks for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe.